Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Now, new music is on the horizon for Janine. The reggae songstress Janine has teased fans with details of her upcoming 2019 album to be released via VP Records this summer. The project, which still remains untitled, will be the follow-up to her exclusively Vinyl Feelings EP released last year, which featured production work from esteemed music producer Clive Hunt. Now, earlier this year, the VP Records artist released a single from the new album dubbed Heaven, which featured powerful messages of black femininity, mindfulness, healthy living, and encourages the modern age black woman to not let the past stop her from moving forward. Visuals for the track highlights the beauty of womanhood through fashion, scenery, and art. A motivational speaker, poet, activist, certified yoga instructor, and advocate for overall wellness, Janine will spread her messages globally as she embarks on her summer tour, making stops in Europe, USA, and Canada. Her next performance is slated for next month at the Rio Local Festival in France. Now, Shaggy debuts at number 2. The new album from Diamond-selling Grammy-winning artist Shaggy, dubbed Wagwan, has debuted in the number 2 position on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album is a follow-up to his Grammy-winning collaboration 44876 with British rocker Sting, which currently sits in the number 4 spot. The artist is currently promoting the new album, which features collaborations from dancehall artist Shensia, as well as Rayvon, who collaborated with him on the 2002 hit track Angel. Currently in the number 1 spot is London band The Skints with their 14-track album Swimming Lessons, which features collaborations with Protégé and Jesse Royal. Elsewhere on the chart, Coffee's EP Rapture occupies the number 7 spot, and Then by Christopher Martin is down a couple spots at number 9.
Then what's the use? If him can't make you happy and him still can't give you a youth, then what's the use? If your leg now shake.
Now check this out, news overseas. Whitney Houston set to go on tour. You heard me. The singer, who died in 2012, will get the hologram treatment as she performs her greatest hits. Pat Houston, the pop star's sister-in-law, former manager and now president and chief executive officer of her estate, said in a statement that this upcoming tour will allow audiences to experience Whitney's amazing voice and passion for music for a long time to come and help them share that magic with future generations. The announcement comes on the heels of news last week that Houston's estate signed a deal with Primary Wave Music Publishing to acquire 50% of the estate's assets, including royalties from music and film, merchandising, and the rights to her name and likeness. There are also plans for other projects, including a new album and a possible Broadway musical. Now that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.